Now that we're spending so much more time at home, it's nice to define the spaces that we live in during the day from those we retire to at night. Light spaces used in daylight hours are made all the more attractive when contrasted with darker spaces like this bedroom in the evening. And mimicking the natural light conditions feels good for the soul. This classic charcoal hopperhead sits between railings and downpipe, both colours inspired by exterior architectural features, and this too was named for the Victorian iron containers used to catch rainwater. Both railings and downpipe have proved surprisingly popular for use in the home, and hopperhead just expands that choice. It can be combined with virtually any Farrow and Ball colour, and it also looks fantastic when used on the ceiling too. In fact, it really comes into its own when used on walls, ceilings and woodwork to create a super dramatic room, but one that will feel bigger because you can't discern the confines of the space. And there's nothing worse for me than lying in bed looking at a great big white square above your head. But if you do want to use contrasting woodwork, go as dark as you dare.